Good morning everybody. Punta daw tayo ng Singapore. Let's go. Okay, load. 1 AM, flight natin 5:30. Tagupan.
Tatlo pong one-piece burgers. One lang.
Park and ride muna tayo. Ayun na, mabilisan. Ayun ka dyan ito eh. Yung hamburger na lang ay ayaw pa. Park and fly muna tayo. Dala tayo ng airport.
Ano ka? Sinisingaki kayo, wag ka nga.
Oo, sa gitna. Kaya tayo sa gitna.
Do you wanna sit here?
Erika. Si kuya pa.
1, 2, 3. Ano, can you count? Is it 5?
Pero to ba iba? Bakit naglalal tayo po?
Middle west. I'm nervous. No seatbelt ko, no?
Kailan nyo sir, Cebu pa po?
May isa lang ba terminal niya? Pag Cebu pa?
Depende sa pupuntahan nyo ma'am.
So anong ano natin?
Papunta kayong Boracay at saka Naga po, terminal po. Kasi kung saan kayo destination nyo ma'am eh.
Dalawa. Yung papel lang ano yun.
Salamat po!
Ito, ibigyan ako ba?
O, sama.
Pabalik po sa baba na po kayo. Tawag po kayo pag mabibig na po. Yan po, pasok nyo po, pagpakanan po lang.
Salamat po.
Salamat!
Dito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 3 Cebu Pacific tayo. Ano yung papakita pa? Kung ano? Oo, di ba? Wala pa naman ticket. Meron tayong dalawang check-in baggage. Yan yung ginagawa natin. Ayan, basta tayo ng immigration, custom. Ito na tayo ng gate natin, gate 109 papuntang Singapore. Diyan tayo sa 109 bound to Singapore. We are ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright.
35, 30.
For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency.
Cabin crew to landing stations.
Dami nakapila. Pare-parehas yung mga building eh. No, pila. Palending na, palending. Of course, Laguna. Balik pala tayo sa Laguna. Oh, linis na. Dito pa lang oh. Industrial. Engineering. Alright. Lalapag lang natin Singapore or Changi Airport.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Changi International Airport in Singapore. Local time now is at 9:03 in the morning. There's no time difference between Manila and Singapore. Ground temperature is at 26 degrees Celsius. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 22 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight and crew captain, Manessa, and First Officer Alfonso, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring these with you. As you leave your seats, you may dispose these in the bins near the exit.
Welcome to Singapore. Hilian pa lang, bango. Yung bathroom nila pwedeng pwedeng matulog din. Welcome to Singapore. Ayan. Maglilibot daw tayo rito sa Singapore Airline. Ayan, Singapore Airport. Marami na daw pupuntahan rito, sabi ni Kuya. So, pinakasikat yata yung Jewel, pero nasa Terminal 1 yun. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 4. Ayan o, Changi T4. Ayan, arrival tayo. T1, T2, pero hindi dito tayo. Automated immigration lane daw tayo. So I-scan natin yung ano, yung mga passport. Merong ano, Singaporean arrival card na sinasabi ano. I-scan. Si Merkel hindi makita dun sa camera. Maliit. Hindi makita yun sa camera. Automated. Good job. Galing ah. Ulitin muna natin yung baggage natin. Meron tayong dalawang check-in baggage. Ayan, dalawa. No? Our luggage. Ito pa. Dalawa. Let's go. Money exchange muna daw. Okay, Singaporean dollar. This is for bus and train daw. Dito sa exchange area, pwede na rin kunin yung, ano, yung SIM card.
Set up ko na lang kayo mamaya na.
1 minute till the bus. Chill lang mga tao rito, ano? Babait pa. Officer eh. Very helpful. Luwag naman. Luwag. Tayo ng Jewel. Magbabas tayo. Mount. Tayo ng Jewel. Hi, we're going to Jewel. Ay, utong din oh. Anson, yan na yun. Tatawid tayo. Ayan, Jewel. Alright, let's go. Thank you. Ayan, doon tayo sa Jewel oh. Yun daw pupunta natin. Okay. Bag check. Let's go.
Wait lang.
Wait lang daw.